Hi everyone, this is your tutorial for the creative challenge that I posed for you to approach in class today. This tutorial is to show you how to set up your Canvas digitally if that is how you choose to approach the illustration that's in the YouTube video that I will link in the email that I sent to the class. Okay, so you're going to want to watch that YouTube video first, where you see the artist draw the circle with the landscape on the inside. Okay, so watch that first, and then you could come back to this if you haven't watched that already. So, now that you know what you're drawing, you're going to make sure that you have the white selected. You can find that on the side of any of the colors. Okay, so no matter where you land it, you'll find the white. Then you'll select the brush, make sure that your opacity is at 100, and your file size, or the brush size, you want at 500. So that way you can just quickly create your canvas. Then you're going to select the shapes, and you're going to select the circle, so that way you can easily create the circle, and you'll be able to create the circle for the image. Now it comes up like it's invisible. Okay, so don't freak out. It's just going to be this box. You can move it, use the lines to orient it into the middle of your canvas. It doesn't have to fill the entire canvas. It totally can if you want to, though. So the way that you fix this is you hit fill, and you're going to select black for the circle, and then you select this where you hit outline, color. Okay, go back to this, white. All right, Mr. Murray is messing something up. This needs to be black. There we go. Okay, so under outline, make sure the color is black. The fill should be white. And now you have your circle. How cool. And you can still manipulate it if you want to. You can make it bigger or smaller. So I'm going to go through a little bit of the drawing. However, please don't even think that you absolutely have to do what I'm about to do, because this is all... Oh, just kidding. There was something else. You have to merge your layer. Okay, so you're going to want to select the layer that has the circle, because otherwise you can't draw on it. How annoying that is. Select layer, go to merge down. Now you can draw on your circle, or in your circle. Okay, so now you can just start to select and create how you would like this to go. I'm going to select gray just to draw out the image. But remember, so as I'm drawing, I'm going to give you directions on how to actually approach this. You are able to take the image in that video, and you are creating your very own image as to how you want that to look. Okay, so in class today, I drew scales and made the circle into an eye, like it was the reflection of a monster, and there were all these iridescent colors. You might want to use stencils. You might want to use different cool effects. You might want to use a different drawing program completely, because there is a whole other... Oh my gosh, that's a terrible moon I just drew. But you might want to use a different program because there are different effects in there. Okay, you might want to start here, create this, and then save it and import it somewhere else. That's totally fine. I just want to see you expand beyond a simple drawing and make it really exciting and creative. Okay, so the way I do that is I switch up different colors. I might make it neon. I might just totally flip the colors. Lots of different things that you can do. Okay, so You guys are really inspiring. You've been inspiring me all year with the way that you push the boundaries of the projects I give you. So I thought I would give you more of a open area to work within. Which is kind of like the problem that you're attacking. Like, there isn't a whole lot of direction here. I just ask that all of this inside the circle is filled at least to a quality of completion. Okay. But however you approach that is up to you. So I encourage you to have fun. All right. As Miss Frizzle says, get messy, make mistakes. And then I think there's something else that I can't remember that she says. All right. Please email me if you have any questions. I hope this video was helpful. I know I'm not giving you a whole lot, but that's kind of the point. Okay, you are your own artist. So I look forward to seeing what happens and what you create and what you bring to class next week. All right, I hope you have a great week. Have fun, and I'll see you then.